Students, hope you will be fine. Yesterday we have discussed about the concept of virtual memory. Now today we will discuss about an example that is known as virtual memory snapshot. Let us discuss the example of virtual memory. Now we have a secondary storage. In the secondary storage we have processes, for example P1, P2. Now each process contain pages, for example 1, 2, 3, and each page of size 1 KB. Now the main memory contains main memory contains 8 frames: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and each frame is of 1 KB. Now the operating system resides in the first two partitions. In the third partition, first page of P1, that is 0 of P1 is stored, and the other frames are also filled up. In the fourth portion, first page of P2 is stored. In the fifth portion, P0 is stored. Here we have page table of P1. Here we have page table of P2. Now let us discuss the page table. We have to create page table of process P1 and P2. The page table of both the pages, for example page table of P1. So in the first section, here we have frame, here we are describing absent or present. It is here we are describing the D bit. Here we are describing the reference bit, and at last the protection mechanism. So the page table of both the pages are of 1 KB. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. The page table of both the processes contain various informations as shown in the image. Now here we have a CPU. The CPU contain a register which contain the base address of the page table, that is 5 in the case of P1, and 7 in the case of P2. So CPU consists of the base registers and this contain two things, that is the page table, that is 5 and 7. 5 is for P1 and 7 is for P2. Now these page table addresses will be added to the page number of the logical address when it comes to accessing the actual corresponding entry. So here we have 2 and 3, that is the frame 2 and the frame 3. Here we are representing the condition true or false, that is we have allocated this one. It means here true will comes, here 0 and 0. Now here we have D bit, that is 0 0 1 0. Here we have reference bit 0 1 0 0. So this is the case how the page table is created. Now we will give out the advantages and disadvantages. Advantage, that is point number 1, multi-programming is increased. It means more than one program can be able to run. User can run large applications with less memory, that is RAM. And the third one is there is no need to buy extra RAM. You can just increase the size of the secondary memory, so that memory will be used for the virtual memory. We have some disadvantages also. Here the systems become slow. As swapping is performed again and again. It takes more time in switching between processes. So these are the disadvantages. Hope you will understood this lecture. Thank you very much.